Pinaka. Yes, the previous one was Nakorolevu Farm Road. It was a phased one. That was phase two that we had worked on under the Rural and Out Island program or ROI. It cost us about $41,400. And this one that we just came up on, at which we are at the summit of, is Batinisala Vanua Farm Road, phase two again, under the ROI program as well. This one cost ministry 49,180. It'll benefit about 55 farmers from the village of Nasolo. And after this, then we're going to go down and meet the members of the village who are waiting for us down in Nasolo. But we're grateful that government could reach out and assist them when they ask for this assistance. And the Nakorolevu who is here with us has shared to us that it's very much appreciated by the people of Nasolo, the farmers. It's opened up the land for them and helped the farmers to cut the yangona to whoever comes over to buy the yangona for them. So it's really helping the local rural economy, and that's exactly what the program is there for. Now,